I might be a little type A. I don't know. Decided that today I am locking myself in this room until I get everything done that I need to get done. So welcome to an extremely productive vlog. I hope. Let's get into it. Okay, I have to unpack. I need to do laundry. I need to upload all of the new clothes I got on my trip onto my Indyx app, which is an app that holds every single piece of clothing I own. I might be a little type A. I don't know. Put away the clean clothes, wash the dirty clothes, catalog the new clothes. It's just that easy. New clothes pile, dirty clothes pile. Yeah. I'm in this weird in-between because I just got home from traveling, but in like 2 weeks I need to travel again. Every time I have situations like this where it's like travel, short rest, travel, in between the travel time is no man's land. Like I get nothing done. I'm a little out of it. I'm confused. I'm scared. This is me trying to get on top of that and not let that happen. That I do have to technically leave my room to start a load of laundry, but I'm not gonna use that time to go on TikTok because I'm on lockdown until I finish all of this. It's the only way I'll do it. I'll be honest, leaving is a little risky, but I kind of got to. Okay. As I said earlier, I have my entire wardrobe cataloged on an app on my phone. I talk about this app non-stop because it has personally helped me so much. As I also mentioned earlier, I'm really type A. I love to organize stuff. On my last trip when I visited my mom, I went thrifting and I got 11 new items. My mom gave me 2 pairs of shoes. So I want to put all of that into my app before I put it away in my closet. There are 14 things to add. I act like I don't like this, but I really do. Like, I love it. I love the organization of all of it. Anyways, let's just do it. It's never ending. But again, like I said, I do love it. I find it to be so fun. All of this is in my phone now, and so we'll put this away. It just feels so good. Now though, I do have to try to squeeze all of this into my closet somewhere, so that's fine. $14 new items. Like, I don't normally add that many at a time. I donate my clothes and all of that, but there are a few pieces that I don't wear but I have such an emotional attachment to. So I think that I will maybe put them on Depop. This is something I've been wanting to do for maybe 4 years. So it's like, girl, it's now or never. So I'm going to hand select all of my clothes that I want to put on Depop and at least like hang them up in this empty spot just so I can visually see it, and it can kind of push me to actually put them on Depop and not just like talk about it. I have such an attachment to every single piece of clothing I own, and if I know that it's gonna go to a good home or like someone who actually wants it, it's easier to rip out of my grubby little hands. For now, I think this is everything that I want to sell. I hate when things are hung on this one because it makes it feel so claustrophobic, which is good because I need this little push to get these up on Depop. I feel like such like a girly, like, yeah, just like putting it on Depop. Like I said, that is possibly the only way that I can get rid of things. This is pretty good, okay? This is good. All of this I would not donate because I'm like so sentimental about it and I'm just so attached to it. That's a big, great thing to get checked off the list. It is looking and feeling so much better in here and in the bedroom as well. Thank God you can actually see the floor now. The closet looks better, but also somehow looks worse because, like I said, it's a strategic approach to putting these clothes here, but I hate it. I hate it. I am so close to being done. I just want to fill out my bullet journal because I have not been doing that because, like I said, I've been traveling. If my bullet journal is not updated, I feel panicked. I feel like I'm like just floating around. Essentially how I described how I feel in between travel. When I just traveled and I know I have more travel commitment, blah, blah, whatever. So I'm going to fill this out really quick. And while I'm filling this out, I just wanted to bring up, I live in Los Angeles, California. I am a transplant. I was not born here or raised here or anything like that, but I have lived here for the past 4 years and LA has such a special, special place in my heart. What ICE is doing, these mass people coming in, kidnapping people, it's horrible. I want how I feel to be known. I never want anyone to question, does she support ICE? Does she support Trump? Girl, not me, not I, not ever. This country was built off the backs of immigrants, people who came here for a better life, and other people who were forced to come here. LA is not a war zone. A lot of the media is sensationalizing it. Also, I hate when people say, talking about immigrants, they mow your lawn, they cook your food. The bottom line is these are people. Their worth should not be wrapped up in their usefulness. These are people who deserve rights. They don't deserve to be arrested at their immigration hearing. They deserve to be treated as human beings. And people's worth should not be based on their usefulness to others. I think that's a dangerous narrative and it's dehumanizing. I've said my piece. I never want anyone to question where I stand on these subjects. So let's get back to this. This is all I have. I want to have lunch, recharge a little by watching Love Island, which is weird to say after all of my rant about how I feel about what's going on right now. I'll end on this note. Take care of your friends, family, neighbors, your community. It feels very wrong to be making my silly little videos, but it's something that I really enjoy. So I just want to find the balance of talking about things that matter and also taking care of myself. But anyways, thoughts, feelings opinions, not taking opinions on the whole ice situation because it's wrong either way. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Bye.